moment, it is not functioning as a medium of exchange or as a unit of account or as a store of value, which are the three characteristics that you need for something to be money. You can't neglect one of those characteristics. So Bitcoin does not fill any of those things. Oh, it does fill one of them, which is a unit of account, because Bitcoin is ledger money, because a blockchain is basically a ledger between let's say I have a Bitcoin, you have a Bitcoin, and then I send you a Bitcoin. So basically we're just entering into blockchain ledger transactions. We're just recording ledger transactions. There's nothing really going on there. It's just on the screen, right? We're just using ledger money. And that brings me to my point why Bitcoin is not money. Because all that Bitcoin is, the rise of Bitcoin is not there as people like to say, oh, government is printing a lot of money, as Sia saying, oh, government is doing this and this and this, and therefore Bitcoin solves this problem. No, Bitcoin does not do that.
I said it's yet to solve the problem. It's in the process.
I'm disagreeing with that point. Sia, listen, Sia. I know what you mean. It's yet to solve the problem. I'm saying it's not even built to solve that problem that you are pointing out. That's not the point of Bitcoin. If you look at what Bitcoin actually is as ledger money is not a new phenomenon. It's been here since the 15th century. Ledger money is basically there. Ledger money arises when there is a shortage of money, or let me just say a shortage of currency. That's when you get a ledger currency. So, but I'm just going to use the term money loosely here. When I'm saying ledger money, I'm not really saying that this and this is actual money. I'm just saying ledger money for the point of this argument. So ledger money is there to solve a problem of too little money, not too much money. So think about it like this. Everyone in the Bitcoin community is complaining that the government is inflating the money supply, right? Okay, good argument, fine. Whether you agree with that or not, I mean, Jeff Snyder would agree with that. Deflationists would disagree with that, right? And inflationists like Peter Schiff would agree that the government is inflating money. So I'm not going to talk about inflation, deflation. But the point is, Bitcoin people are saying, oh, the government is inflating the money supply. We need something that is deflationary. And Bitcoin has a limited supply, which is true and false at the same time, which I won't get into because you can actually theoretically do a 51% attack on the Bitcoin blockchain and then boom, you can have infinite supply of money. But let us assume that this thing of Bitcoin being deflationary is true, right? Bitcoin is deflationary by nature. Okay, no problem. And this is going to somehow solve the problem of money printing. Well, that is not what Bitcoin is there to do. It's there to solve a problem of too little money. Remember, Bitcoin came out in 2009, right there, just in the middle of the financial crisis. And think about this. The timing has to be, it can't be coincidence, because at that time, euro dollar collapsed.